So after building the computer, it's time to install Windows, update the BIOS, tinker with some settings, make it all user friendly. So let's get into it. Monitor, audio, antenna, power, and I'm gonna put my mouse keyboard. Checking the power button is on. Make sure my monitor is on. My surge protector is on. Just making sure everything is on. Oh, there's some status signs. The RAM's not detected. GPU not detected. Square thing is the sensor light. Got my keyboard and mouse plugged in. My Windows. Now it's time to install Windows 11. We're gonna put our Windows 11 USB thumb drive, and then we're gonna press the restart button on the computer and repeatedly press F11 so we boot off the Windows 11 USB, and this will launch the Windows installer. bought this at Office Depot. Scan disk. It was already formatted FAT32. If not, right click, do FAT32. Download your MSI newest BIOS and plug it in. It's working. The new version will be on the top right corner. Now for the LAN drivers, I only installed the Ethernet one. The Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth seem to be working. Maybe Windows installed it, or when I updated the BIOS it installed it. Either way, I just left it alone and didn't install those. Once you got the app open, you could set up your resolution and frame rate. Usually the bigger the number, the better. So good refresh rate is like 120 megahertz. But if none of these resolution sizes work for your monitor, you could go over here and then click on this resize and just move the width and height sliders to get it as close to the edge of your screen as you can, and click OK, and that would give you a custom resolution size. Yes, no game boost. The CPU speed says 3 gigahertz. I guess that's my base speed. But they sell it as 5.8 gigahertz. Am I missing something? The priority boot list. Here's my RAM info. Fan info. Well, I guess that takes you to the same place. This enables you to charge your device while your computer is asleep. You can also go to settings, advanced, wake up. This way you could turn on your computer from sleep with the mouse or keyboard. So here are the speeds I'm getting before the CPU cooling. 1.4, 3.2. I'm gonna turn on the computer and start pressing delete. So under the CPU cooler tuning, you got two options. One was performance setting and one was unlimited setting. If you have a water cooler, you could select unlimited setting, and that should bump up your CPU quite a bit actually, as we'll see soon. Definitely faster. Here are the apps that open up on startup. You could disable the ones you're not using. Maybe in a future video we'll go over these in more details, but you could check them out. What I didn't get to work was the wireless mouse and keyboard don't wake the computer up from sleep. And also when the computer goes to sleep, the RAM does this rainbow effect. This is IQ, it's the app for the RAM. And then I use Mystic Light for the graphics card and motherboard lights. And I use the Lian L Connect app for the LCD screens. I don't know why I need 3 apps just to have some lights on this computer. Here are my devices. You can add a device here as well. Here's all the updates I've done. And these are all the apps I've installed. This is basically what the computer comes with.